Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can check our Permesso di Soggiorno online status step by step. Let's start. As you know that when we apply for Permesso di Soggiorno, we receive a receipt like this, right? Can you see the receipt, right? And then when we go for fingerprints to the Questura, they give us such type of receipt and they write a number here, 10 number character, and then using this 10 number character you can check your status for your Permesso di Soggiorno. So let's start. I will teach you how you can search or check a status for your Permesso online. Let's start. On Google, just write here Permesso di Soggiorno status and open your first link, Questura Polizia di Stato.it. Open your first link, just write here Permesso di Soggiorno status. Open your first link here. Now you can see that this page is open. Now simply you can choose a language. Which language do you speak or understand? Just write here, for example, I numere. You have to write the number. When you go for fingerprints, they will write a number here. It will be around 10 number character. So you have to write here the number. You can see this one, like there are I applied in 2022. This is the Ancona. Like if you apply in Rome, there will be Rome, and this is number. Now I can check status for my Permesso. I will click on Invia. You can see that it's showing that the residence permit is not present in archive. If there is, if is not available, so it will show you. Let me check for another one. I will check for other one. This one, right? You can see this is my ricevuta number, and when you receive a ricevuta from Questura, they will write number here. So you can check your status, and just you will write the number here and click on submit. Now you can see that it's showing that your residence permit is ready. You will be informed SMS where you need to collect. So when your Permesso is ready, you will receive SMS. If you don't receive SMS, you just take a screenshot and go to Questura and receive your Permesso. If you search here and here, if it's not ready, it will show that like your Permesso is still in progress. So if there is any problem, it will show here. So if you want to check status for your Permesso di Soggiorno, it's very easy. Just check a number here. It will be a 10 number character. So you just put number here and check your status. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.